Hey everybody, it's Jimmy Jones here with Byers Chevy doing a dash cam diary today. Today I'm with newest customer Ron, who drove, how long was it, like 2 hours?
Almost 2 hours.
2 hours to get here. It's a Sunday. We were texting last night, kind of putting everything together over the phone, just through text message to make sure everything was aligned before he got here and invested that time frame here on a Sunday. So, I mean, how was the whole process? How was the experience? I mean, especially compared to like other buying experiences in the past.
The whole experience overall was just great. Jimmy and the whole team here was just amazing. Like I said, we showed up at 1:30. We're less than 2 hours into this, and we're getting ready to pull off the lot. Jimmy's been great. I greatly appreciate everything that he's done for me and my family.
Yeah, that's awesome. And you said in your past experience stuff took
the last car I bought took almost 2 days to process everything through, get it fixed the way I wanted, and here I've had no problems. Everything was as advertised and then some.
Awesome. Well, that's obviously what we aim for here at Byers, so it's a pleasure working with you. If you ever need anything, obviously give us a call. And more importantly, do you recommend Byers Chevy? Do you recommend Jimmy Jones?
I highly recommend them to anyone looking for any vehicle.
Well, I certainly appreciate it. Again, everybody, Byers Chevy. My name's Jimmy Jones here in the sales department. Dash Cam Diaries with Ron, who's getting ready to head home a couple hours and in his brand new vehicle. So you can always find me at 614-432-5509. That's my cell phone. Again, Jimmy Jones here at Byers Chevy. Thanks, everybody. Thanks, Ron.
Have a good one.
Thanks.